Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Ubuntu Linux on Mindtech YouTube channel. Today we'll see how to install SMPlayer on Ubuntu Linux. Ubuntu offers different media players such as videos and VLC media player. However, SMPlayer is far superior than videos media player and it's better than VLC media player in some cases. It is capable of playing any video file format. So let's see how to install it. Let's open the Ubuntu Software Center through Show Applications menu. Search for SMPlayer. Select SMPlayer. Click on Install. Enter system user operating system password and authenticate. It will take a couple of minutes to install. SMPlayer is now installed. Let's open it through Show Applications menu. Let me open one of my own videos. Let's check out the bottom bar. Here you can rewind the video by 1 second or 1 minute or 10 minutes. Same options go with the forward. Let's play around with these options. You can see the video being forwarded by 1 minute. The options we just checked can all be found in Play menu option. You can also change the speed of the video here. Let's bring it back to normal. Let's check other options on the bottom bar. You can full screen the window. Mute the audio. Increase and decrease the volume. Let's check out some options for the video menu. Let's see zooming in action. Here I am pressing in E to zoom in the video. And press W to zoom out. You can change the aspect ratio. Let's take a screenshot. It will be saved in SMPlayer_screenshots folder in picture directory. Also there is an option for thumbnail generator. Also there is an option for equalizer. If your video is available in more than one languages, then you can change the track or load an external track. Here you can mute the audio and increase and decrease the volume as well. If you have subtitles SRT file, then you can load the subtitles to in here. Now I want to show you a feature which even VLC media player does not have. Let's close the player. Let's reopen it and play the same file which we were playing before. You can see that SMPlayer plays the file from where we had left off. The sub-menu bar right under the menu bar will show some of the options we discussed so far. There is an option to create a playlist. Here you can add or remove the videos. There is a YouTube browser, preferences, select previous or next video in the playlist. Finally, let's revisit the YouTube browser option. Let's search on some keyword. You can see corresponding YouTube results for that keyword search. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications for my future videos.